Wednesday, 18 December. The Ministry of Agriculture, in collaboration with the Ministry of Small Business and Entrepreneurship, present the Agri-Christmas Night Market. Going down to the public market from 5 p.m. until 12 a.m. Featuring local produce, fresh fish and meat, grilled lobster, coconut water, cane juice, mouth-watering black pudding and cook-up with and without oink. Also, the Nevis Abattoir returns with its crowd favorite smoked beef, smoked ham, and rotisserie chicken. And if you think we done deal, musical entertainment by the Grand Masters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Registration forms available at the public market, the Ministry of Agriculture, Building 16, Port Zante, and the Department of Agriculture, Lagreed. So, save the date for the Agri-Christmas Night Market, Wednesday, 18 December, from 5 p.m. until 12 a.m. at the public market. You better meet me there.